Wait, don't skip this.
We are in Paris, and today is going to be special. We are going to see the Eiffel Tower for the first time, and you will learn easy English with us. Wow, we are finally in Paris. This place looks so beautiful.
Yes, everything looks new. I feel excited and a little nervous.
That's normal. New places always feel like this.
Taxi! Bonjour! Right this way.
Wow, the Eiffel Tower! This is so cool! I can see small cafes outside. They look so nice. Yes, and the buildings look different from our city.
Paris is famous for its cafes and old buildings.
It feels quiet and relaxed.
Yes, people here enjoy slow life. Kids, when we travel, we learn new things.
What kind of things?
We learn about people, places, and different ways of living. So travel makes us smarter? Yes, and also more understanding. Here is your hotel. Thank you.
This hotel looks so beautiful. I feel like we are in a movie.
Welcome to l'Hôtel des Rêves.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Ryan.
Your room is ready. Thank you. Welcome. Here is your room key.
Thank you very much.
The view is stunning. Can we go see it?
Let's go.
This room is so nice. I love it.
The bed looks very comfortable.
Sit and relax. You must be tired. Yes, it was a long journey.
But I feel very happy.
Me too. This trip is already fun.
Tomorrow will be even better. Yes, we will visit the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah!
She's finally asleep.
Look, it's getting dark. The lights are coming on.
Wow, it's so pretty.
The Eiffel Tower at midnight. Perfect.
Good morning.
Today is a special day.
Yes, we will see the Eiffel Tower.
And visit the Louvre.
I can't wait. It's going to be the best day.
Get ready quickly. We should not be late. Eat breakfast first.
What is this? It looks different.
This is a croissant. It is very famous here.
It is very soft and tasty. These are so good.
They are. Here, have some more.
This is the perfect morning.
Eat slowly.
Food is an important part of travel.
Yes, I can feel that. Wow, these raspberries are so good.
They are, and this view is just magical.
The croissants are yummy. Can we get more?
Of course. We're in Paris after all. Best
I like
breakfast walking
ever.
here. It feels peaceful.
Yes, there is no rush. Slow walking helps us enjoy more.
Yeah, and the tower looks closer.
It does.
Let's keep going.
Life is not always about running fast.
I like this slow life.
We're near the Eiffel Tower.
Really? I'm very excited, Dad.
Is that the Eiffel Tower? Wow, it is so big.
It looks more beautiful than pictures.
Yes, this is a very special place.
Let's go nearby to tower.
Great idea, Ryan. Let's go.
All right, follow me. Stay together.
It's getting closer, so tall.
No running, but we'll get there soon.
It looks even bigger from here. I can't see the top clearly. Yes, it feels so huge. I feel very small standing here. This is what real beauty feels like. It's calm but powerful.
People come from all over the world to see this place.
I understand why.
It feels special.
I don't want to leave this place. Look around. Everyone is smiling and taking photos.
Hello! Welcome to the Eiffel Tower.
Hello, thank you.
Can you tell us something about this tower?
Of course. The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889. That is very old. Yes, it was built for a big event called the World's Fair.
Who built it?
It was designed by an engineer named Gustav Eiffel.
So that is why it is called the Eiffel Tower?
Yes, exactly.
How tall is it?
It is about 330 meters tall.
Wow, that is very high.
Yes, and it was once the tallest structure in the world.
That is amazing.
People come here to enjoy the view and take memories.
It really feels special.
Yes, it is not just a tower, it is a symbol of love and beauty.
I can feel that.
Me too. It feels different here.
That is the magic of this place. Thank you for sharing this with us. You are welcome. Enjoy your time here. Okay, everyone, big
I'm
smiles!
so excited.
This is the best day ever!
Got it. Perfect.
Is this good?
Yes, perfect. Now look up. This one looks amazing.
Now your turn. Stand there.
Like this?
No, stand normal. You both are so funny.
These moments are the best part of the trip.
I feel tired, but very happy. We laughed a lot today. Me too. Today was so fun.
Yes, and these are the moments we remember.
I wish every day was like this. It can't be every day.
But we can always remember it.
Maybe life is full of surprises. The lights look so beautiful. The tower looks different at night.
Yes,
The lights look so beautiful.
the tower looks different at night.
Yes, it shines even more in the dark. Just like good memories, they shine in our minds. I will never forget this trip. Me Too's my favorite place.
Listen, I want to tell you something.
What is it, Dad?
In life, we go to many places, but not every place stays in our heart. Then what stays?
The moments we spend together.
And I. It's not just about where we go. It's about who we are with. Do you know why this day is special?
Because we saw the Eiffel Tower?
Not only that, it is special because we were together. Today was a long day, but really good. Yes, we saw so many things.
My favorite part was this place. And the photos we took.
We will look at those photos later.
Yes, I want to see them again.
Okay, now let's go back. It's getting late.
Can we come here again tomorrow?
We will see. Maybe.
I don't feel tired. I just feel happy.
That's because you enjoyed the day.
Yes, today was really fun.
If you want to learn English with real stories, stay with us. More beautiful moments are coming.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.